2025 Toyota Wald Land Cruiser 250 takes the all-new Land Cruiser 250 and turns it into a more aggressive, premium-styled SUV using Wald's signature body kit and styling upgrades. It's aimed at buyers who want Land Cruiser toughness and heritage, but with a bolder, custom look straight from the tuner. On the outside, the Wald treatment is immediately obvious. The front end typically gains a more pronounced bumper with sharper lines, larger air intakes, and an integrated front spoiler, giving the Land Cruiser 250 a lower, wider, more planted stance without sacrificing real-world usability. A unique grille finish, dark or chrome Wald accents, and additional LED elements help it stand out from the standard model. Along the sides, you'll usually see extended side skirts, subtle over fenders or wheel arch extensions, and larger Wald alloy wheels, often 20 inches or more, wrapped in either all-terrain or highway-terrain rubber depending on the chosen style. At the rear, a redesigned bumper, diffuser-style element, roof spoiler, and Wald badging complete the transformation, pushing the look firmly toward premium sport while still clearly being a Land Cruiser. Inside, the basic Land Cruiser 250 layout is retained, but Wald can enhance the atmosphere with custom upholstery, contrast stitching, branded floor mats, and unique trim inlays. The cabin remains a blend of rugged and modern. A horizontal dashboard with a large central touchscreen for infotainment, a digital or semi-digital instrument cluster, and solid, hard-wearing materials that can be upgraded with leather and soft touch surfaces on higher trims. Seating for 5 or 7, depending on configuration, keeps it practical for families, with a comfortable second row and an available third row for extra passengers. Technology includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, multiple USB-C ports, available wireless charging, and an optional premium audio system. Mechanically, the 2025 Wald Land Cruiser 250 keeps Toyota's proven hardware. Depending on market, that typically means a turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol or diesel, or a hybrid-assisted powertrain, all tuned for durability and torque. Wald's main focus is appearance and stance, though some builds may add a sportier exhaust for a richer sound. Power goes through Toyota's automatic transmission to a full-time or selectable 4-wheel drive system with low range, so the core off-road capability remains intact. On the road, the Wald kit gives the Land Cruiser 250 a more assertive, high-presence character, while the underlying chassis is still tuned for a balance of comfort and control. Larger wheels and different tires can make the ride a touch firmer than stock, but it remains perfectly usable for daily driving and long-distance touring. Off-road, the Land Cruiser's strengths, strong frame terrain modes, low-range gearing, are still there, though the more style-focused Wald configurations are tailored primarily to urban and highway use rather than extreme trails. Safety and driver assistance features mirror the standard Land Cruiser 250. Expect Toyota's latest suite, including pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a high-resolution rear-view or 360-degree camera system. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Toyota Wald Land Cruiser 250 sits significantly above the standard model. In many markets, a well-equipped Land Cruiser 250 typically ranges from around $60,000 to $75,000 depending on trim. Adding the full Wald package, body kit, wheels, and interior/custom touches can push the total into the approximately $80,000 $100,000 plus bracket, depending on specification, local taxes, and how extensive the customization is. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Grav on Cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest SUV and tuner build reviews. Tell me in the comments, would you keep your Land Cruiser 250 stock for pure off-road focus, or go for the Wald treatment for maximum street presence? Thanks for watching Grav on Cars. Drive safe, stand out, and keep moving forward.